You know what is worse than investing? It is putting your money into something that looks safe, but actually which is destroying your wealth. And the sad part is like most people I know have done it, including me once. As Indians, we love the word guarantee. If someone says that, sir, this is guaranteed, this gives you 12% returns, is safe as a bank, more trustable, more reliable, our brains automatically melt. We don't ask questions, we don't check the risk, we just hand over our savings to them. And then one day you realize that your hard-earned money is stuck or it's in fact gone. So remember all those flashy company bonds that promised you about 13% interest? Thousands of people bought them. Families, retired employees, or even young professionals. Guess what happened to them? The company defaulted. So one of my friends who lives in Pune put in 10 lakhs thinking that it's going to be fetching them a safe return. Today he's stuck in an endless paperwork chasing money that may never come back. So he's running up a pillar to post story between the agency as well as the lawyers. And it's just not bonds. How many of you seen your friends flexing their big wins in F&O trading on Instagram? A lot of them flaunt their things. I have even tried my luck with F&O. What they don't show you is the minus that they come across is they lost every week. So SEBI itself puts a disclaimer. You will have seen that like 9 out of 10 retailers lose their money in F&O. But still the crowd runs towards F&O trading thinking it is like a Diwali sale and things are getting it offer. So why do smart people fall for this? It's just not the greed alone. It is the human psychology. We humans hate this boring returns. 6% of FD makes you feel like you are watching like paint dry. That's the eulogy I would say. You are like have to wait for longer time to see this. But a 13% on bonds, or if it is like 200% on penny stocks, makes you feel that like it's an instant noodle and you immediately pay your money all into that. And there's also something as a little FOMO. Like you have the fear of missing out that a person X has bought it, a person Y has bought it, so I should buy too. And boom, you're trapped. So the so-called market players will swindle all your money and they'll just close their trade and move off. It's the same reason why we order extra food at buffet. We don't need it, but just looks like a good deal and we try to order that as a buffet. But here's the truth nobody likes to hear. Real wealth is just boring because it is like SIPs, it's your index funds or your long-term equities. The stuff that don't give you like higher dopamine levels, or it won't like give you excitement like how you watch it on Instagram, but it quietly compounds in the background. It's like your friend who doesn't party every weekend and who's like a stingy guy, but suddenly shows up 10 years later driving a car which you can't afford. So before you jump into the next guaranteed high return trap, ask yourself, like, would you rather look rich today and go broke tomorrow? Or would you stay patient and stay boring and actually be rich when it actually matters? So because sometimes the most dangerous investment is the one that makes you feel too safe. So tell me honestly in the comments, have you ever put money in something that promised the world but gave you nothing? So leave your comment because you're not alone. All of us would have gone through that. In fact, I have gone through all of these. So if you like this video, smack that like button and share it with a friend who is into investing. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you.